A very good morning, students. I hope you are fine and taking care of yourselves. I am Gagan Bhatia, your SST teacher from Springfields Public School. Let's continue with lesson number 11, National Movement, the first phase. We have to start with page number 101 today, that is the radical phase. The radical phase was a very dominating phase for the people of India. There were three main leaders of this radical phase: Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bipin Chandra Pal, and they were popularly known as Lal Bal Pal. They called for very strong political actions like strikes, boycotts, and mass demonstrations to spread the awakening among the people. Bal Gangadhar Tilak called for the attainment of Swaraj and said, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Now, another topic is the partition of Bengal that took place in the year 1905. The Viceroy Lord Curzon issued an order dividing the province of Bengal into West Bengal and East Bengal. The real reason for this partition was totally different to as shown earlier. The national movement in Bengal was very strong, but the partition of Bengal was widely criticized by most of the people of India. The two movements, known as Swadeshi and boycott movements, were very popular movements in the Indian history. The partition of Bengal gave rise to these two movements. Swadeshi means apne desh ka, of one's own country, whose main aim was to popularize those goods which can be manufactured in India. But the method of boycott was totally different from that of Swadeshi. Boycott is पूरे तरीके से किसी से कट जाना. So boycott was a more stronger movement than the Swadeshi movement. Surat split that took place in the year 1907. The struggle against the partition of Bengal united the moderates and radicals. They forgot the differences between them, the differences in their objective and methods, and they reunited in the Congress session at Lucknow in 1916 because they wanted complete independence from the British rule now. Morley Minto reforms that took place in the year 1909 and is given on page number 103 of your history books. To pacify the moderate leaders, that is to convince the moderate leaders, the government announced Morley Minto reforms, whose main features were that more members to be inducted into the Central Legislative Assembly and the system of separate electorates for Muslims to be elected. Revolutionary movement, the first phase. The early years of the 20th century saw a revolutionary movement in states like Bengal, Punjab, and Maharashtra. And there were two most active revolutionary societies, the Abhinav Bharat Society and the Anushilan Samiti in Bengal. The revolutionaries of this period became national heroes and they inspired many people to join the national movement. But the masses could not be involved still now. And now everything was left to a man whose name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi to collect the masses, that is a large number of people, and fight for the nationalism for the country. This is all what is given in this lesson, and we will be reading in detail about the national movement, that is the second phase, in the next chapter. Thank you, children. Please mark all the important points. Read the chapter thoroughly for one word. Thank you, and I will be sending you question answers also. Please write down and prepare accordingly. Thank you, beta.